Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine your last breath leaving your body. The noise of the world fades. No laughter, no tears, no calls, no footsteps, just silence. This is not the end. This is the beginning of the real journey. The journey of Jannah, departure of the soul. The soul looks at its body, lying still. Family cries around, but nothing belongs anymore. No wealth, no power, no beauty. Only deeds remain good or bad. Angels of mercy descend, their faces radiant like the sun. They call gently, "O peaceful soul, come out to the forgiveness of your Lord." The believer's soul is lifted with honor, wrapped in fragrance, carried towards the heavens. First step of the journey. The body rests in the grave. Darkness surrounds. Soil covers every inch. The people leave. Their footsteps fade, silence. Suddenly, two mighty angels appear, Munkar and Nakir. Their voices thunder, "Who is your Lord? What is your religion? Who is your prophet?" The believer answers with calmness, "My Lord is Allah, my religion is Islam, my prophet is Muhammad." The grave opens wide, filled with light. A window towards Jannah appears. Its fragrance flows in. The waiting. Time no longer exists. The soul waits in its grave. Some graves are gardens from paradise, others pits from hell. This waiting is a reminder, the real world is still ahead. Then the trumpet is blown. Mountains crumble, seas boil, the sky cracks, stars scatter. Every soul rises from its grave, barefoot, naked, alone. Angels descend in ranks, covering the horizon. Every nation follows its prophet. The sun draws near. People drown in sweat, some up to their knees, some up to their necks. Then the scales of deeds are placed. Every deed, every word, every hidden thought revealed with justice. The righteous shine with light, while the sinful tremble in fear. The Sirat bridge over hell. Then comes the Sirat, the bridge sharper than a sword, thinner than a hair. Beneath it hellfire roars, flames rising, screams echoing. The believers cross with speed, some like lightning, some like wind, some like walking, some crawling. The sinners fall, swallowed by the abyss. But those with even a seed of faith are rescued by Allah's mercy. The Prophet Muhammad awaits at the pond of Kauthar. Its water whiter than milk, sweeter than honey, cooler than ice. Whoever drinks from it will never feel thirst again. The Prophet says, my Ummah, but only those who followed his sunnah are allowed to drink. The gates of Jannah. And finally, Jannah. Its gates open wide with light. Angels greet the believers. Peace be upon you, enter into eternal happiness. Rivers of milk, honey, and wine flow endlessly. Palaces shine like pearls, fruits hang within reach, gardens stretch forever. There is no pain, no sorrow, no death, only eternal peace.
Yet the greatest joy of Jannah is not the palaces, not the gardens,
not the treasures. It is the moment when Allah reveals himself. The believers gaze upon their Lord, with eyes filled with tears and hearts filled with peace. There is no blessing greater than seeing Allah. Closing reflection, this is the journey of Jannah, a journey every soul must take. Life is short. Death is certain. The hereafter is real. Every prayer, every charity, every kind word, it builds your eternal home. And on that day, only one question will matter. Did you prepare for the journey? Jannah without reckoning. Ameen. If this story touched your heart, share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to Guided Soul, a reminder that guides us toward the eternal journey.